2020 has been an interesting year to say the least. In this video, we want to give you guys a breakdown of our financial goals that we had for 2020 and go over all of our successes and our failures throughout the year. Also, stay tuned to the end to see the exact dollar amount that we've invested for the 2020 year.
Hi guys!
I'm John.
And I'm Tessine. Welcome to our channel Millennial, where we give practical tips on reaching financial independence and early retirement. So let's jump right into it. Goal number 1 of 2020 was to max out our Roth IRAs, and we succeeded. So what a Roth IRA is, for those of you that don't know, it's a post-tax retirement account that allows your investment to grow tax-free. So for 2020, the government allowance for contributing to this retirement account was $6,000 per person. And this is the second year that we've successfully done it, and this is something that we wish we had started as soon as we were able to. So as soon as we graduated from college and started working, we really wish that we had taken the opportunity to invest in these retirement accounts. So the 6 years that we did not contribute to our Roth IRA, they're gone forever. We'll never get those years back. So this is something that if you haven't started to contribute to, we encourage everybody to get started as soon as possible. And if you can't do $6,000, do as much as you can, because the important part is just to get started.
So goal number 2 for the 2020 year was to maintain an optimized budget. And unfortunately, we failed this one. So for our household, an optimized budget has 3 categories that needs to be met. It means that we save a minimum of 10% of our income monthly, that we set a savings target for each month individually, and that we also set and maintain monthly spending category limits. So at the start of the year, this was going great. From around January to July-ish, we were killing all of these goals. We were saving up to 70% of our income in some months just because we were following this budget to the T. But around August and September, that's when we purchased our new property. And also we went to go visit my parents for a mini vacation. And at that point, things just went downhill. We stopped monthly setting savings goals. We stopped putting limits on how much we ate out, how much we spent on entertainment. And this made our budget go in the wrong direction. While we're calculating failures, we just want to let you guys know that failures aren't always a bad thing. Without failures, it's difficult to learn and adjust. So we're gonna take this failure, learn and adjust, and make it better for the 2021 year.
So goal number 3 was to max out John's 401k. And in this goal, we succeeded. And to explain what a 401k is, it is an employer-sponsored pre-tax retirement account. And the max for 2020 to contribute towards this account was $19,500. So this was a big goal that we took on around April of this year. When we were doing our taxes, we realized that with the amount of money that we were now getting in rental income, it would behoove us to shelter some of our income that we're getting from our jobs in order to optimize on the tax benefits that we can get through real estate. And so we took on this goal around April of this year, and we weren't sure if it was going to allow us to still hit all of our other financial goals, but we were up for the challenge, and thankfully we succeeded on this goal.
So this brings us to goal number 4, and this was to purchase 2 properties, preferably multifamily. And with this goal, we failed. We failed on 2 aspects of this goal. We did not purchase 2 properties, and the property that we did purchase was not a multifamily, but it was a condo. And when it came to multifamily properties this year, property prices were high, but multifamily prices were extremely high. So it just didn't make any sense for us to invest in any multifamily properties that we saw here in the greater Orlando area. So in the previous year when I set this goal, I didn't look at the amount of money that it would take to accomplish this goal. And especially due to the rise in prices in real estate this year, this goal was a difficult one for us to achieve. And also another reason why we failed this goal is because we had a mid-year shift as shown by our previous goal that we had to max out my 401k. That was an additional $19,500 that we wouldn't be putting toward real estate. So that's the reason why we failed this goal. But even in failing this goal, we've learned a lot. I was totally against purchasing condos before failing this goal. And now, after running the numbers, after my beautiful wife ran the numbers for me, she convinced me that condos can also be a good rental property investment as well. So we have a condo and we love it so far, and we think it's going to be a great part of our portfolio. So right before we get into goal number 5, we just want to take the time to ask you guys to please hit that like button for us. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and helps this channel grow. And also, if you've been enjoying this content, hit the subscribe button as well so you can get notified every time we release a new video.
Speaking of growing our channel, goal number 5 was to grow our YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers. And we are so happy to say that with your help, we succeeded at this goal. Thank you guys so much for your support, because we couldn't have done it without you guys. And we started 2020 with 223 subscribers. And we are currently at 4,980 subscribers, which is like unreal to us. And honestly, it may not sound like that much compared to the big time YouTubers that have millions of subscribers, but for us, our dream with starting this channel was to spread financial literacy to more people. And just to see that we reached almost 5,000 people, it is a dream come true for us. And not only did we reach our 1,000 subscribers, but we also hit our 4,000 watch hours, which is YouTube's requirement in order for them to allow you to start getting monetized by advertisement. The amount of money that we've made so far in 2020 is $1,075.96. And that is even amazing to us as well, because this is money that even when we're sleeping, these videos can still make us passive income, which we're all about trying to increase our passive income any way possible. And the fact that we're able to do that while helping others, it's just a dream come true for us.
And that brings us to goal number 6, and that's improving our health. And unfortunately, with this one, we mark it as a failure. We consider this an honorable mention because a lot of you guys might be asking, what does health have to do with finances? For those of you that may not know, millions of Americans are one unexpected bill away from poverty. And one of the most common unexpected bills that an individual can receive is a medical bill. And so a way to protect yourself against this is becoming as healthy as possible. For all of you out there that have been setting financial goals, we also encourage you to include health in that as well. So we had a goal to try to lose weight and to make healthy choices. And once again, we were doing really great at the beginning of the year, but around August, September, those things started to fall off and then continued to fall off through Thanksgiving and Christmas. So we realized that health doesn't directly financially correlate, but we feel like it's important to mention here because it can have a dramatic impact on the quality of life that you have in your financial independence journey. So our 5 financial goals and our 1 honorable mention brought us here. And that's the increase that we've had financially in the year 2020. Our net worth has increased by $115,087.40. And this came from having a total of $76,147.37 invested in this year. And so the way this investment amount breaks down is that $19,500 went toward my 401k, whether it be Roth or a traditional 401k. $12,000 went to the combination of both of our Roth IRAs. $722.11 went toward Tassine's 403b for her first job. She changed jobs throughout the year, and her second 403b had a total of $90.37 contributed. She just started the job, guys. Give her a break. And then finally, we have our condo purchase and renovation, which totaled $43,834.89. One thing that I want to make sure that we bring up is that this isn't only based on our income for the year. This also includes some of the savings that we had from the previous year. And we're really proud to have this number. We're happy to be able to look back at our 2020 year and say that this is how much we've invested toward our financial independence future. And this isn't just how much we spent on enjoying life at the time.
This time of year is very important to us because it's a time that we go back and look at the mistakes, failures, see what we did well, see what we did poorly, so that the coming year we can use all that information to have an even better year. And so we encourage you guys to also do something, even if it's not exactly like this, just have a way to reflect over the choices that you've made in the past year so that your next year can be your best year yet.
So if you guys have any questions on any of the topics covered, we've actually gone over quite a few of these topics in details in past videos. So you can find those videos here in the corner. We covered everything from Roth IRAs to 401ks to how to start and maintain a budget. We've also covered how to purchase your first rental property, how to find tenants. And this is what we look forward to do on this channel. We want to give all the financial knowledge that we've been blessed to attain to you guys so we can all grow in financial independence together. We really hope that you guys enjoy. If you have enjoyed, please hit that like button for us. It really helps us out. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we drop a new video. So with that, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. You can contact us at our email here. And until next time, see you guys.
See you guys.